Everyone, welcome to my channel Sirisha Naga. So today we'll be doing idioms. Idiom is an expression that is peculiar to itself, either in having a meaning that can or cannot be derived from the group of words. It is a phrase, like it has a group of words, and this expression might convey the meaning of the sentence or might not convey. So it is like it can give you an idea of the whole sentence just in this small group of words. So the example is to moon and back. That means it is just to express how you feel about it and how much you mean about it. So it is way bigger. To moon and back is like a very big expression where the moon is too far. So you're just pushing yourself that far and coming back. So that is how you express yourself. Okay, let's get on to the first idiom. So the first idiom is set your heart on or set your sights on. So it is nothing but to aspire to do something. So you wish to do something really hard, like working hard for it and to achieve it. Right? So the example goes like this. When I was a little boy, I set my heart on becoming a fighter pilot. So I wanted to become a fighter pilot and I set my heart on. So I set my goal there. And so that is what I aspire to become when I grow big. That is the first idiom. Let's go on to the second one. So the second one is knock someone for a six. It is nothing but an utter surprise which is difficult to recover from. So it is like, something that you cannot recover from. Okay, let's go with the example, we'll understand better. News of her dog's accident completely knocked her for a six. I know, sounds good. The phrase knocked her for a six, we can relate it to cricket, but the meaning is a little bit of on a sadder note. Okay, so it is an utter surprise. Like, it is not on the here in the example, it is on the slightly negative side. So she was like, in an utter dismay here. She was very sad. But it was difficult for her to digest the fact that her dog was not well. Right? Let's go on to the third one. And the third one is pull the plug on. That means to completely terminate, to stop doing it, not taking it further. So the company pulled the plug on the deal. So it is like pulling the plug away from the switchboard so you don't get the electricity. So there is an interruption, right? It is terminated. Similarly, the company has terminated the deal over there. Whatever be the reasons, so the deal was terminated. So that is pull the plug on. Let's go on to the fourth one. Fourth one is pear-shaped, hair-shaped. Bad things start to happen. So he feared his career had gone pear-shaped. So that was like, something bad that started happening. About his career. Now let's go on to the fifth one. Fifth one is nuts and bolts. It means basic fundamentals. So example is, we came up with a lot of ideas but no one addressed the nuts and bolts of how to implement them. So the basics that you would like to know, that is nuts and bolts. Let's go to the recap. So before going to the recap, the reason why we are doing idioms today is nothing but first thing is to break the monotony of vocabulary so that we are away from the words today with a small break, right? And the other thing is, apart from using good words, good vocabulary in the sentences that you write, idioms also elevate that skill, writing skill. So it just gives a very good picture to the reader's mind. So vocabulary, the new words and also idioms just go hand in hand to improve your writing skills or speaking skills. So just quickly recap today's idioms. First one is set my heart on. Second one, knock someone for a six. Pull the plug on. Pear-shaped. Finally, nuts and bolts. So these are today's idioms, and please do not miss tomorrow's video because we are going to give you some quiz questions based on the vocabulary words that we have done in the previous videos. So the links for the previous videos are given in the description box below. Please do not forget to like, share, and if you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Sirisha Naga signing off for the day. See you with another video. Bye bye.